Realme launched its new GT series phone in China called Realme GT 8 Pro, with a unique detachable camera module. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme GT 8 Pro features a tall 6.79-inch 2K resolution flexible AMOLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 7000 nits of peak brightness support. The screen supports Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 840 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme GT 8 Pro sports a Ricoh GR-powered triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus another 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view, and there is 200-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom plus 120x digital zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 30 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture, and it can record 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery, with 120 watts super flash charging support and 50 watts wireless charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Realme UI 7.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.8 by 76.87 by 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 214 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme GT 8 Pro 5G has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in blue, white, and green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme GT 8 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.